What's going on, guys? Today I'm in Fairburn, Georgia. I'm about to show this property, so I figured I'll take you all along with me as I am a little bit early to the property before my clients get here. So you got 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 1,526 square feet, all for $265,000. So we're gonna walk through it, check it out, and if you know anybody that's interested, looking for something like this, want a townhouse, low maintenance, then send them my way and I'll make your next move your best move. So starting off, I really like this neighborhood. It's got plenty of townhouses in here, but one of the rare townhouse communities that's gonna give you a pool and tennis courts. And you have all type of different types of townhouses in here. This one gives you 1-car garage. I do like the elevation, give you a little bit of brick. And you got some hardy board out here too. So again, for $265,000 in today's market, finding anything that's halfway decent under $300,000 is pretty tough. So it's quite refreshing to see this. So this house does need just a tiny bit of TLC, I think. Maybe some touch-up paint, some carpet cleaning. But outside of that, it is pretty much move-in ready. So when you first walk in, you do have this area over here to the left. I mean, you could use this as just like another recreational room, home office if need be, but kind of nice to have that space, and it is kind of tucked away from the house. I'll pan around here to show you the front entryway and the little space that I was talking about. So the paint color is that early 2000 yellowish beige color. As you can see, we have carpet throughout the downstairs area. House does come with a 1-car garage. And here's your half bathroom for down here. Very standard. You're gonna just kind of want to walk through this house so that you can see what $265,000 is gonna get you. Located in Fairburn, Georgia, not too far from the city. And Fairburn has just been blowing up over the past couple of years. It's one of the places where you get a good bit of house for your money. So this is what the kitchen looks like. Gonna get these wooden cabinets, laminate floors, washer dryer with black and stainless steel appliances. Got your black refrigerator here. Let's take a look at the pantry really quick. Here's what your living room area looks like. Got your fireplace down there, and then this housing for your TV. And this is what your dining area would look like. So we'll check out the back. You don't really get much of a backyard. You just get like a little deck because you are higher up. So you do have this deck space with an exit here if need be. So if you have to service your AC unit or just need to get down here for whatever reason, you do have the ability to do it. Again, you are pretty much higher up here, but not much backyard space, but that's not necessarily always needed when you're talking about a townhouse. So that wraps it up for down here. Guess I should show you the coat closet. So that wraps it up for down here. And we'll take it upstairs where you'll find the 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So we'll start with guest bedroom number 1. Get your 2 windows in here, so a little bit more than what's normally expected. Huge closet door. It's like one of those utility doors or ADA doors, what they use for people with wheelchairs. Creates a nice wide opening for the closet. Now we'll check out bedroom number 2. I said they got this little shelving thing that they put here. Bedroom number 2. About the same size, if not maybe a little bit smaller than the previous bedroom that I was in. Get you a good look at the carpet. And then same thing again with the closet door. Large closet door, standard closet. So this is gonna be your bathroom that serviced the 2 bedrooms that I just showed. Again, pretty straightforward, laminate floors. Get you a single vanity in there. And this is the washer and dryer. And got you some shelving that you can organize this space a little bit. And lastly, your primary bedroom. Now, I will say that this is a pretty huge bedroom, which is nice to see. Check out the closet space. So you do get a walk-in closet. Pretty decent space for the size bedroom. And lastly, let's check out the primary bathroom. So double vanity here, laminate floors, no water closet. There's your tub, and of course, your shower. Let me give you one more peek here. So again, just wanted to show off some affordable living for the most part. This is a townhouse in Fairburn, Georgia for $265,000. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 1 car garage. 1,526 square feet. So if you're interested or know anybody that's interested, send them my way and I'll make your next move your best move.